episode 2 of our 3-part series of our 2020 trip to Vancouver. Sam is over here posting on IG. Is that lame?
I say Insta, but I think that's what like the older generation says.
So it's Instagram.
Yeah, post it on Instagram.
We've got Steve over here chilling, tied off. We are now in Kelowna, British Columbia. I can't believe I've been in Western Coast area for 5 years and I haven't seen this place yet, so this is pretty sweet. Sam wants to say something.
I just want to talk about how it's like a desert.
Sam thinks it looks like a desert.
I love it here. I love this giant lake. Show them how big this lake is. You could almost pretend that's the ocean if you really wanted to. I can't believe it took us this long to get here too. It's just incredible here.
Boom! Welcome back. Episode 2. This is crazy. I give all the credit to Samantha here. I don't even know what to say. Like, this is actually really freaking sweet.
Beautiful.
MacDonald Acres RV park. We're glamping, so they say. This tent is pretty wild. Got 4 tents here. Nice blue night. The nice thing about being on a Monday after the long weekend is we're the only ones here. And we are ready to party. Good morning!
Good morning!
What day is it today? Tuesday.
It's Tuesday, September 8th.
Is that day 4?
Yeah, it's day 4, day 2 in Kelowna.
Day 2 in Kelowna. We are in our awesome tent and hopefully gonna rent some bikes today. If not, I don't know. Figure it out.
See where we're gonna go?
Welcome to Kelowna. We finally made it here. Got here yesterday. No, you don't want to say that, do you?
Yeah, you can say that.
We got here yesterday.
Got here yesterday, checked into our Airbnb clamping tent thing. Glamping.
Glamping. It's glamping.
Glamour camping, yeah.
Glamour camping tent. We are going to be here for the rest of the day and tomorrow. We're trying to absorb as much as we can in our short period of time here. Unfortunately, there's a little bit of smoke behind us. But that's okay, we'll make best of it.
There's a bunch of fires down in California and Washington, and it's all the smoke is traveling up the Okanagan Valley, which is the valley that Kelowna sits in. So it's smoky here, but we're gonna make the best of it. We're leaving here tomorrow, heading to Vancouver. So here we are, making the best of it. This is in Okanagan Lake.
Technically went on a hike up that mountain. Can you see?
Giant lake. I don't know.
I think the real question is, why don't we live here? As you can see, it's a little foggy right now.
Here we are, making the best of it.
Here we are, making the best of it. Ward's Cider. Little vineyard. One of the few vineyards in this area that makes cider, apparently. But Sam and I just did a little tour here up on, where are we? South Beach, Kelowna. We are here. We were gonna do a hike today, but unfortunately with some forest fire smoke coming up from California and Washington, we figured we didn't want to push ourselves too much with quite a bit of smoke, which I'll showcase throughout the video. But we did a little tour. We're in a vineyard now. I guess it'd be more of an orchard.
Yeah, I guess this is an orchard. Look at that big apple.
And a vineyard, but yeah, really cool experience. Kelowna is really well known for their wines and their ciders. So here's a hard apple cider and a Infinity. Can't talk. So we've got ourselves a new ball here that Stevie likes to play with, and we've got the photographer here getting shots.
This is art in action.
Let's go! Here we are, future life in Kelowna. Beautiful spot. There's some fires going on in Washington, but I must say they are quite magnificent for the smoke. I mean, it puts a really nice haze over the mountain, which is obviously very unhealthy in a sense, but Looks good.
It's not good for the environment, but it's good for the views.
So is YouTube.
Good morning, everyone. We are leaving Kelowna today, heading to Vancouver. Didn't have a lot of footage here in Kelowna because we didn't really do much. The smoke that came up from the States kind of stopped us from doing some of the things we planned, but that's okay. So we're heading out to Vancouver today, and you'll see a quick montage of our travel there. Is that good?
Happy birthday. We've made it. Here we are, Richmond, British Columbia. We have not made it to Vancouver yet. It is over on the other side of the river. We will be making it there tomorrow, but we thought we would come to this half. I've heard some really good things about it, and I completely agree with all of those good things. It is really, really pretty here. And yeah, thanks for watching. I know that this one wasn't as exciting as the last one. We really didn't do a whole lot. Like mentioned before, we didn't really want to push it, so kind of just relaxed by the beach. And what a drive. That drive is absolutely beautiful. Highly suggest you take that drive. I think we took 93C. I think it was like 93C.
I think it was 97C, and then Yellowhead was 5.
Yeah, something like that.
Whatever it was.
Again, thanks for watching. Really appreciate your time, and maybe we'll have a little bit more of excitement going on when we visit Stanley Park and do some bike rides. And
Let's just talk. Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Until next time, peace.